Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming your device is updated and your VPN account details are at hand. Open Settings, then go to VPN or Network. Tap Add VPN Configuration to begin. Choose ICAV2, IPsec, or L2TP only if your provider specifies it. Otherwise, use the provider app for automatic setup. Enter server, remote ID, and your username/password, then save. Once done, toggle the VPN, switch to connect, and watch the status icon appear so you know traffic is protected. Now fine-tune how the VPN runs so it matches your needs. If you use settings, make sure Send All Traffic is enabled for full tunneling. If you use the app, grant network permissions and enable Always On or Kill Switch to prevent leaks. Pick a server near you or one labeled Optimized for speed. This reduces latency. Also verify DNS settings. Use the provider's DNS or a trusted public DNS to avoid leaks. Make sure the connection stays stable by testing a site or running a speed check. Finish by confirming protection and knowing what to do if problems arise. Check your public IP to ensure it changed, and test access to region-restricted content if that's your goal. If the VPN fails to connect, restart the device and app, then switch protocols, ICAV2 Open VPN, or try a different server. Make sure your credentials are correct and that no network firewall blocks the VPN. If issues persist, collect logs and contact your VPN provider. They can resolve authentication or routing faults quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.